Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve another excellent conceptual question from the ISS Indian Statistical Service 2026 statistics paper. Now before we begin, let me tell you something about the nature of the ISS examination. The ISS examination conducted by the UPSC is one of the highest level competitive examination in statistics, and it does not merely test your ability to perform the calculations, it examines whether you understand the theory behind the statistical inference or not. And one of the most frequently tested topic is the hypothesis testing, especially the Pearson lemma and the likelihood ratio test, the most powerful test. Okay. So today's question is direct application of the Neyman Pearson lemma, and if you understand today's approach, you will be able to solve almost every similar question in the examinations. Okay. So let us read the question first. Consider a random sample of size n from a Bernoulli P population to test that H null P equal to 0.4 against this H1, this is this, and the most powerful test depends on what? And there are four options. Option number A says summation I equal to 1 to n xi, B says x1, C says summation I equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square, and D says summation I equal to 1 to n xi square. Okay. So we have to calculate the correct answer, right? Now, the moment you read most powerful test, your mind should immediately think of the theorem, the Neyman-Pearson lemma. And this is one of the most important theorems in the hypothesis testing. So whenever both hypotheses are simple hypotheses, the Neyman-Pearson lemma gives the most powerful test. And today's question is exactly of that type. Now, whenever you see where both the parameter values are fixed, immediately write the likelihood ratio without wasting the time. So if I talk about the Bernoulli's distribution for one observation, where x equal to 0 or 1, okay, for a random sample, the likelihood becomes, now collect the similar terms. Notice something beautiful. The likelihood depends only on the data through summation of xi. Already we are getting a clue. Okay. So this is not a coincidence. For every Bernoulli sample, the total number of success summation of xi contains all the information about p. So this is why it is also the sufficient statistic. Okay. Now apply the Neyman-Pearson lemma. Let us write the likelihood under each hypothesis. Okay. And under the null hypothesis, so the likelihood is, and under the alternative hypothesis, the likelihood will be, now form the likelihood ratio. Okay. Now simplify. So 0.6 by 0.4, this is basically 3 by 2. And after simplification, we are getting right? Now, the likelihood ratio is an increasing function of summation of AI. And therefore, the Neyman-Pearson lemma says reject the null hypothesis for the large values of summation of xi. Hence, the most powerful test depends only on the summation of I equal to 1 to n xi. So, what will be the answer? The answer is basically our option number A. Okay, so for Bernoulli's data, remember this thing. Sufficient statistic is summation of xi. Likelihood depends on summation of xi and most powerful test depends on summation of xi. One statistic solves three different chapters. And this is exactly the kind of interconnection that ISS loves to test. Okay, so I hope these things are clear to you. See you in the next session.